Well, as concerns mount over the surge in Omicron cases globally, several residents are seen violating COVID norms, masking up, following COVID protocol, ventilating and ensuring social distancing still remains an absolute must. Getting you this detailed report on how all of this is being violated.
Delhi government civil defence volunteers are out on Delhi's roads, making sure Delhiites are keeping their mask firmly up their nose. An occasional fine, a brief argument with violators, a nudge to pay up for not wearing a mask, handing out a mask to them. That's what they do day in and day out. The volunteers say there's no fear of the virus in the capital.
लोगों को डर खत्म हो चुका है। लोग इसीलिए कहते हैं कि अब तो है बीमारी है ही नहीं, इसलिए मास्क लोग बहुत ही कम लोग लगा रहे हैं अभी।
This has been the norm for months now. But is this way of enforcing COVID-appropriate behavior really going to help? When not being watched, Indians seem to hate the mask and violate social distancing norms with aplomb.
फेस मास्क आपने नहीं सर पहना? कोई नहीं, आप बता दीजिए.
I'm extremely sorry, and I am wearing it now. Sorry.
Why are you not wearing a face mask, sir?
I'm not wearing the face mask because I just taken it off.
You just took it off. भैया मास्क के बिना क्यों घूम रहे हो?
नहीं मास्क हमेशा लगा के रखते हैं मैडम, गिर गया रास्ते में.
In the wake of Omicron, the highly transmissible variant of COVID-19 entering India, the government has reinforced its messaging on mask usage. But the reality on ground is dismal.
हमने सबने मास्क पहनना, खूब पहनना, हम डर गए. हमने ये आदत अपनी ठीक रखी, लेकिन अब जरा उस तरफ अगर आते हैं हम, अगस्त हो गया, गिरना शुरू हो गया, सितंबर आ गया, अक्टूबर, नवंबर और दिसंबर, हम लगभग उसी पोजीशन पे आज पहुंच गए हैं जैसे कि ये जो सर्ज आई थी हमारी.
This is how grim the situation is. Indians simply don't want to mask up. The usage stands at where we were just before the peak of the second wave in India. The use of masks peaked over 80% between May and June this year, around the same time that India's devastating second COVID wave wreaked havoc. We're now back to square one.
Medical experts and the government say that the facial mask, is a universal vaccine against COVID-19, no matter which variant. Cluster outbreaks are right now being reported in the country. The message is loud and clear that we have really no other option than to go back to the basics once again.
Leave alone masks, crowds at marriage parties, get together at homes, in pubs, with all norms getting violated again, are almost back to pre-pandemic levels. Which begs the question, why are we not using the weapons we have against the infection to keep us safe, knowing very well that vaccine efficacy has been reduced against Omicron? With Sneha Mordani, Bureau Report, India Today.